everyone. Today I will be talking about class sessions and groups. This optional class record field allows you to add a special grouping identifier to your classes to assist in relating many classes together by a time frame, session, or any other grouping term. Class sessions or groups are a great way to help organize your classes, especially when you have hundreds of classes. This entirely optional field can help you group your classes for better searching and display throughout ClassJuggler. If you have sessions at your business throughout the year, you can create a set of sessions that allows you to organize classes by the time frame they were offered, such as spring, summer, or even a yearly session like fall 2020. Setting up sessions or groups is done in Preferences. Let's look at Preferences from the blue main menu. And then from the purple sidebar menu, I'm going to choose Optional Preferences. And we come right to our class sessions and groups. Here my test account shows the many sessions I've used over the years. When an item in the Action Info column item is in use, such as these in the red text, this indicates that the entry is assigned to a class and cannot be deleted, although its display order and description on that row can be changed. Let's add a couple new groups to my list. On row 14, I'm going to add a display order of 130 and a group title of Recreational Class. On row 15, I'm going to put in a display order of 140 and a group title of Competitive Team. And then on row 16, I'll put in a display order of 150 and a group name of Fall 2020. I can go back and enter descriptions at a later time. So all I have to do now is save my changes. It's easy to add a session or a group to a class. First, you would want to click on Classes from the blue main menu, and then click on the class you want. I'm going to add a group to my hip hop class on row 22, so I'll click on that class. Then in this first section, I see my session and group, and there is a drop-down selector, so I'm going to click on that. Once I click on this selector, I can see all the possible sessions and groups that I could add. I'm going to pick the recreational class group that I just added in Preferences. And then I'm going to save my changes. So it's as easy as that. Filtering or searching your classes using one of your sessions or groups helps you quickly list only those classes that match so that you can look at a specific group of classes quickly. When you have hundreds of classes in your database, it can be difficult to find a particular class or group of classes. So from the Classes menu, I'm going to click on Classes once more and get my list back. We can filter our classes to just view my summer classes. So I'm going to put in the word summer, and I'm going to refresh. Now I can see a list of all the classes that match or start with the word summer as their session or group. So I have 7 in this list. Now I can change my class status filter to all classes and refresh. And now I can view all my summer classes from this year and expired classes from past years. Another way to use the Sessions and Groups feature is when creating reports. All of the class reports have a filtering field for sessions and groups. This is a great way to pull your reports for only the specific classes you're searching for. Let's take a look at one of these reports. So I'm going to go to my reports from the blue main menu. I'm going to go to my class reports from the purple sidebar menu, and then I'm going to click on class enrollees. All right, so for this report, the type of report, I want to use all active classes. And then in my session and groups field, I'm going to just put in the word year. I think that's all I need. I'm going to go ahead and generate this report. Okay, so here is My report that I see has a list of all my year-round classes and the dates of enrollments. And this is just one more way in which you can use the Session and Groups field to help you in ClassJuggler. The Session and Group class field is also very useful for your class stores in the customer portal. Using a session or group filter will help you organize what classes appear in each of your class stores with the goal of making it easier for parents to find the class they're looking for by organizing them with the Session and Group field.